It's a hot 4th of July weekend. Is it hot where you at? Because it is scorching here. It's almost 100. So yeah, that's hot. But that's beside the point. Got a boat. I want to show you. Should we keep it? Should we fix it? Should we trade it off? I don't know. I got a bad habit with boats. Own the plenty. But I usually don't finish the project. I jump around. But I bought one of the boats home because I ain't got much room at this piece of property. Well, I got plenty of room, but I got like 28 cars and they take up all the room. But anyway, let's go over the boat. Let me know what you think in the comment section below and what we should do to it. Because it does run. It floats too. That's a plus with any boat. So I poured the boat with Avalanche. You've seen it many times before on the channel. And that's the Suburban behind it. But yeah, let's go check this out. It needs tagged. She ain't been on the water in a few years. It does have a live well. Look at that. Well, that's a bad example. Hold on. That is. A lot of the wood's rotten. So that all had to be replaced. We got this guy. Just folds over. Kind of cool. It's a legacy edition. It had a couch back here, but it's non-existent anymore. And it's rotten. The floor, don't know the shape it's in. The seats, they just not doing the seat thingy. Got tons of trash in it. As I said, it's a project. It's not been on the water as I know of 3 years. It's come from a good friend of mine. So hopefully I can fix it up. He got him a new boat and he just let this and kind of set, you know. Let's see, up we go. What's that? Thundercraft. Thundercats. We got dog, it's heavy. Why is this so heavy? Because it's waterlogged. Anyway, this is what we're working with. We got 2 tanks. Don't know why. A new pump in case it floods. That's the engine, a 3-liter, whatever. I don't know. Is that GMC? I don't know. I've dealt with 4-cylinder boats and V8 boats, but that's a straight 4-cylinder. We got a battery and a ton of wiring we're gonna have to fix. I see my buddy's got his side-by-side out. If you just hit it go up on the highway. This is the propeller. It does propeller stuff. But actually it's been kind of hit. My buddy got a John boat and his propeller's about wore down. These, you know, yeah, I might do away with these. I don't like them. I do know how we repair boats and stuff, like holes and holes and all that good stuff, so that's no biggie. I can show you on the channel how to do that. The nicest boat I ever had was a speedboat. Like a 1968 model. Was beautiful. The trailer's in great condition. Got some diamond plate. I'll probably paint the trailer. I'll probably paint the boat. I had to replace 4s. That's the instrument cluster. All this is good. We could tint these. I'm going to have to look at all the vehicles. This is just one line. Just take it in. All the way down through there. That's not all of it. There's a drive behind this way. And those vehicles down there. And those vehicles all the way around back. They also are flat. You can't see much, but there's a road by the white car. It goes up to a big old flat up there that I made room for a few years back. And yeah, but we do got another, couple pieces of property we park out. We got the Field of Dreams, and we also got the new shops fresh store parking lot. I was just at that. So that's, the boat, straightforward. This is what it looks like. This is how I bought it home. It's actually been like this for a while now. And it's just been set and gone to waste. So let me know what you guys think, what we should do to this boat. Do you enjoy boat content? Would you like to see some boat content? Plenty of car content coming, but this will be a side project. Because I doubt I have it back on the water this year. It'll probably be next year. probably a fall product, a fall project, not a product. My buddy does interior. He's really good at it. Outlaw Upholstery. He got a YouTube channel too. You ought to check him out. He ain't uploaded a video in a while, but he's extremely good. He's in Corbin, Kentucky. Might get him to do the interior in this boat. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I like to design something else. That'd be pretty as a couch, though. Need a canopy top. Yeah. We'll see. As we're talking about content, I did get the 6 lug. If you're a returning subscriber, a viewer, you know, returning viewer, you know we was putting a 6 lug 14 bolt 1500 Chevy in under a stock factory 5 lug that we did a 5 lug conversion. We actually running 6 lug adapters in the front. And we put the big boat 6 lug factory, no adapters needed. We're in under it. 14 bolt, all painted. It's doing great. It looks great. It works. And the spacing is exactly the same on the rear as the front with the spacers. The pinion went out on the factory we're in. It's been making noise. It finally went out, and you can hear thunder. We're supposed to get a bad storm tonight. So, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about the boat. Is it worth fixing? What would you do with it? What modifications would you make? You know, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update video.